Good evening, sir. So we will start in few minutes when people will join.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. So I am just testing if my YouTube stream is fine.
So I'm just testing it for.
Okay, sir, ma'am. Good evening. So I think we can start now. When people will join, we will lighten them in. Please let me know if you know the agenda of this session. Okay, so basically, we are going to learn how to create your own online course website. I'll not say that similar to Udemy, but something similar to that. Basically, you should be able to put your recorded videos in an online course on a website from where people can consume the content. You should be able to put your all the content in public uh, inside a course. For that, students has to subscribe, and only then they can consume the content. For that, they have to pay. So there should be a payment gateway integrated with your website, and there are many things which are required, basically marketing, emails, and many other things. So we will learn all these things, but before I continue, I talk about all those things, I want to tell you about the the base, uh, the technology on which all these things are dependent. So the thing is that you know that whenever we want to make any system, we need to know coding. But fortunately, no code has become a big thing now, and there are many companies which are creating no code software. And some of the no code softwares are also available in public domain as an open source software. We can use them and install them without any without any fees. But obviously, when we want to host them, definitely we need to pay the hardware charges. So we can create our online courses using a CMS which is very popular, and more than 37% websites on the internet are available there, are built on that particular software. The software is known as WordPress. Please let me know if you have heard about it. Okay. So if you have heard about it, you might have created your blogs as well on that. So WordPress also are of two types. One is WordPress.com, which is a paid service, premium basically. So you can freely create your blog there. And one is self-hosted, which is an open source version of WordPress. That self-hosted website, that self-hosted WordPress instance, you have to install on your server, because at the end people will visit some server to access your website. So there are some things you need to know about hosting and all if you really want to excel in hosting your courses online, but that's fine. Many companies can take care of that. You don't have to worry about it. Welcome, sir. So, WordPress is one of the most popular CMS, and there are many plugins which allow you to convert that into different types of website. So in this particular session, we are going to talk about how to convert it into a course website. In one of the session which I am going to conduct within few days only, we will talk about how to create your own magazine kind of or newspaper kind of website. Basically, whenever you want to create blog like websites, then I'll tell you how to do that with WordPress. But today we are going to focus only on this particular thing. So how to create your own online course website. So WordPress is free, it's open source. You can download it, you can upload it on server. You need to do some configuration, some tuning to make it look good for your information, for your website. Then comes creating good looking web pages, because at the end people will land to some page, and if that page is not attractive, that does not have good quality content, they will move away as well. So that also you can take care of with the help of some page builders. Again, everything is inside WordPress, but there are certain plugins. If you want to make some notes, you can make it. There are certain plugins which allow you to build web pages without any problem, without writing any line of code, simply with the drag and drop of things. So one of the page builder is very popular, very famous, and that is known as Elementor. So with the Elementor, we will be able to create good looking web pages. Once we have done that, then it comes to create courses and then sell them, by collect some money from it. So in order to do that, you need WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a e-commerce software which is again available within WordPress. You can install it from WordPress website, and then finally you can install it and make a proper shop. You can sell your physical products, you can sell your courses, you can sell other type of material like PDF notes and many other kind of things. So with that, we are ready to create our websites. But no website is complete without forms. You need to have forms, correct? So contact us form, subscription form, and many kind of forms are required when it comes to creating your website. Even within the course also, you may want to give some quizzes, some kind of survey you want to conduct. Then also it's important to collect the data using forms. And forms, there are multiple plugins available forms as well, but we have selected one which is known as Gravity Form. So with the collection of these 5 plugins, your WordPress website will be ready to sell your courses. So that's the whole idea, that's the whole technology behind this. But before we continue, I would like to show you how your website will look if you continue with if you use all these things. So we have created some websites for you, and now I'll share my screen so that you can see it. I believe my screen is visible to you. So these are the websites that I have created for you, and you can use them as it is. Yeah, this one is the website. I hope it's visible. So if you can tell me, how's that looking to you? Is it looking good to you? If consider it as your own academy. So obviously this title you can change, the content you can change, but you consider it as your own academy, and let me know if this is something that is what you are looking for to create your own online course website. Is it looking good to you? You can write in comment, you can write in chat. Okay. So now, thank you, sir. So now let's see other samples as well. We have total 8 ready-made websites for you. So I would like to show you all of them. Just give me a minute so that I can open it for you. Yeah. So this is also one of the website. So I hope it's visible, and please let me know if it is looking good to you. Okay. And then there are many others. So if you go to these links which I have sent you on emails, then you will be able to see the types of websites that you can create. I am also going to present all of them to you right now. So we have total 8 designs, and all of these designs can further be modified, because today you are going to learn all of these things, that how you can modify your websites using Elementor and other technology that we are going to use in order to build these websites. You are free to ask questions. Whenever you have question, please write in chat or write in comment. During the session, I'll take small breaks, and during those breaks, I'll answer your questions. Ahmad sir, good evening. Okay, so now let's see all of them one by one. So here is another website which is, it has code 03, and you see it is looking like this, simple and sober. And these are just the home pages that I am showing to you. There are many other pages that you can explore, and this one is personally my favorite. See? And the good thing about these websites are that they can be used by anybody, not necessarily that you are teaching an academic course, but if you are a physical trainer, you are teaching yoga, or you are running a online cooking course website kind of thing, something other than a normal course delivery also you can do with them, because not only you can host your videos here, but you can also put your Zoom link here, you can put your Google Meet link here, and you can run live sessions here. So that's the thing. So these are the different websites which I am showing you, and all these at present also these websites are working. Okay. So this one is now 7. So you can see it's kind of cooking, but it's not necessarily like cooking only. You can see the color combination is really nice in this particular website. You can change this image to your own image. Then you can change the text to reflect your own course. For example, if you are teaching accounting, you can change this to show that you are teaching accounting rather than cooking classes. Correct? See? Like this. This is code number 7. And finally comes this one, which is 08. So this is very good for a single person website when you want to create yourself as a brand. Then this one is really good. So now you see I have shown you 8 different websites, and now let me tell you how you can take them for practice. See, unless you practice, I am going to take everything, I am going to teach everything during this live session, but unless you practice, you will not be able to know the features which are available on these websites. Correct? So that is why what I suggest that you, if you are really serious about launching your online academy, launching your online course websites, then you do one thing. You take one of this theme, you select one of this theme, and then you take it for 7 days. So we are giving it as a practice account so that you can practice it for 7 days, and that's not costly at all. It's just 99 rupees, so that we don't get people who are not really interested in that. And how you can do that? If you are watching this video on YouTube, go to the end. At the end you will see a link where it says that if you want to take the practice website, then you can take it from there. So this is the course that you have to join if you want to take it. So let me show you on our ET Mantras website. So if you go to all courses, you need to go to no code development, because this is basically no code development kind of thing where teachers are developing on their own. They are not dependent on any coder, any programmer or any other technical expert. That's the important part of this. So you just need to go here, and then finally you go to this Create Online Academy with Tutor LMS live classes. So all the live classes are available here. They are recorded and you can take them one by one. I'm sorry, I'm missing something here. Yes. Okay. So you can go through all the videos which are available on this course, and then you can enroll for it at just 99 rupees. Here on the second option you will get a chance to, I'm really sorry, I think it's not visible to you. Yeah. So now it's visible. So see, here you can see that if you are on academy.etmantra.com website, you just need to go to this particular link, Create Online Academy with Tutor LMS, this course. You can subscribe for this course at just 99 rupees and you will get a practice account for 7 days. You will be able to practice, and then further you can decide whether you really want to go with this, whether this is the right route for you, or you want to go with the programmer's way to launch your own online academy. Let's now continue. So what I am going to do right now, I am going to take one of the website, and I have decided the second theme for this particular course, and that's this one. This particular theme, I am going to customize it right now in front of you so that you can learn everything and you can follow it later when you are doing on your own, when you are practicing on your own, then you can follow and you can modify the website as per your requirement. So here you see right now this is the website. This is one of the website. I am going to modify it. You just understand that, let us say I am a teacher who wanted to launch my online academy and I have selected this theme. So I get this particular theme in this manner only. So there are some courses which are not my courses. I need to modify them. I'll show you how to modify. I may want to put a different price here. So I'll show you how to put a different price, and then finally later we can check. So Nikita ma'am has asked if I can provide recording of the session. Ma'am, recording is already available in the course that I have linked. The link is available at in the description at the end if you are watching it on YouTube. Unfortunately, this session cannot be recorded, but previously I have taken live sessions and everything is recorded in detail there, where you will also get access to practice website. Okay. So let's now see how we can modify it. So when you work on WordPress, you need to understand basics of WordPress. Otherwise, you will not be able to modify those, correct? So how to modify a WordPress website? Let's see. It's very easy actually, not difficult at all. Whenever you will get this website, you will also get admin username and admin password, so that you get complete access to your website. So once you get it, once you are logged in as an admin, then you will start seeing this top bar here. Let me just zoom it for you. Okay. See, you can see this top bar here, correct? This top bar is not available otherwise. Unless you are logged in as an admin, it is not available. But now we are logged in as an admin, so it is available. Once it is available to you, all you need to do is to go to the name of your website. Just go to the name. Don't click on it. When you do that, you will see this menu. And on this menu, you will see this dashboard link. You have to go to the dashboard. So let me now click on dashboard, and when I clicked on dashboard, it will take me to WordPress dashboard, from where I can control every aspect of my website. Obviously, we are new here, so I'll go little slow so that you can also focus, you can also see how I am doing it and you can follow later. Let's now see everything one by one. If I want to visit my website from dashboard, I again need to go to my name. And when I do that, a different menu opens this time, and it says that you can visit your website and you can visit your store. See, I told you that WooCommerce is available. and it allows you to convert your WordPress website as a store, as an online store. So we have done all the heavy lifting for you. We have designed the pages as well. All you need to do, just change some of the things and your website is ready. Even your store is configured. So here I will go to visit site, and that is how I will see the front end of my website, as well as I will be able to see the dashboard of my website. So that is how both of the things are available. Now let's see what I want to change. So first, talk about the look and feel of the website. So look and feel I can change very easily with the help of a page builder which is known as Elementor. Most of the pages which are not normal pages, these pages, either it's home or all courses or about or instructor or pricing, these all pages are created with the help of Elementor only. Or whenever a page is created with Elementor, you will see a particular icon here, edit with Elementor. When you see that, you will know that this page can be edited with the help of Elementor. Click on that, and that's all. You will now see that this particular page, which is home page of this website, is now loading in a new window, and from where I can change everything about this page. Obviously, unless you know how to work with Elementor in depth, don't try to do a lot of things, but I am going to cover the basics of Elementor during this session, which will help you a lot. So Nikta ma'am has asked one last question: do we need to purchase separate server for my website? Yeah, that is always true. Whenever you want to host your website, you need to have a server. Without a server, you can't host your website. But if your question is toward my practice account, then don't worry about it. Practice account means that you are getting server, you are getting a configured website, everything you are getting in order to practice it. Okay. Let's now see how we can change the content of this. Now you can see this is the Elementor loaded here. Once the Elementor is loaded here perfectly, then whenever I move to any of the component, or let's say elements of this web page, I can see a box around it and a small pencil icon around it. You see the pencil icon is available here. I can see all these things. Whenever I want to edit anything, I'll click on this pencil icon, and the properties related to this will open here. You see, and you will also know what is it actually. So you see what is this? When I clicked on this particular Elementor editor is saying that this is a heading, and you can now edit the heading, correct? And whatever you see it's written here, it is coming from this. So here it's written animation offers a medium of storytelling, correct? Let's say I am a teacher's trainer, so I want to train teacher for 21st century skills. So I will change it. I'll say learn 21st century skills to become a successful teacher. And that is how you are going to change all aspect of your website. So this one seems fine to me. Again, you can change this small heading simply by clicking on this, and you will come to know that this is a text editor. See, this is a text editor, and text is available here. Change this text, and it is changed for you. Similarly, these are the buttons. Click on this. If you don't like a start course written here, then you can change it from here. You say something else, maybe not course but learning. So you see this button is now changed. It is not saying start course now, but it's saying start learning here. And where should it go? This is a button, so on click it should go somewhere. So it's already configured to go somewhere, and that we have done for you. You don't have to do at all. This is a pop-up that we have configured for you. When somebody clicks on it, it takes them to log into your website or register for the website. Similarly, you can go down, you can see technologies you will learn, and then you see all these small icons. You can change them as well. Again, the method is very simple. Just click on this pencil icon. When I clicked on it, I'll come to know that this is a basic gallery. And now all these icons are reflecting some of the programming language. Let us say I don't want programming languages. I want something else, icons related to something else. I'll click on it. And then it will take me to this gallery. So I will add something to gallery and then I'll search for some images. Let us say I am teaching you WordPress. So I'll search for WordPress icon. It will automatically search from Pixabay, which is a free website to get images. So I am getting this WordPress icon. I will install it. All I need to do is click on this, and now it's being imported to my website, and once it is imported, I'll add it to gallery and it's added here. If I want to remove any one of these, I'll simply click on this, and done. Right now you see the gallery is updated and showing only the icon that I have selected. Similarly, you can select whatever icon you want. All you need to do is again click on add to gallery and then search for something. For example, I also teach OBS, I teach Moodle. So let's search for Moodle. If Moodle is available, Moodle's icon is available here. Sorry, it's not available, but nothing to worry about. What you can do, you can download Moodle's icon from somewhere and then you can upload it here. And then finally you can use it. Let's see if OBS is available here, which is very difficult to have, but still let's see if it is available. No, OBS is also not available. But just for a sample, I'll take one image so that you can understand that you can import any image here. I'll take this one and I'll add that to gallery, and that's all. Now this image will come here. Correct? So this is how you are going to change all these things. This is let's click on this edit icon and you see what is this. This is a course list which is automatically coming. Whenever you will add a new course, which I'll cover in few minutes, I'll show you how to add a new course. It will automatically come here. Then there are certain headings that you can change rather than experience. Let's say you want to write feature 1, then here you may want to write feature 2. All you can do with the help of these pencil icons, you just need to click on them and change the text that you want to change, and that's all. That is how everything is being changed. You can write your own testimonials here. If you want to change the image of the person, you can do so simply by selecting choose image, put the image of your student here, and done. Everything is now changed. So that's all. I am just going to make these small changes, 2-3 changes, but I believe you now know everything about how to change things on your pages. Let's now click on update. Done. When I update it, obviously the page is now updating, and when the page is updated, I will see what? I will see a new type of home. So let's now visit my website now, and what I'll see? The new text that I have put. See, this is the new text. These are the new images that I have put, and this is the feature 1, feature 2 thing that I have further changed. Perfect. Let me know if you have any question up to this point. Okay, so I don't see any question here. So I'll now continue. Let's now see other things. So one thing we have done, that we have changed the pages, and similarly you go to all courses, then you will see the same edit with Elementor here on top. Click on it. You can change everything of this page as well. You see about us page. About us page is also pre-designed for you. Just need to replace your images and everything, and you know how to do that. You have this edit with Elementor link here, and you can do that easily. Let's look at instructors. And yes, this is again designed with Elementor. You can click on this and change the page. That's all. I believe now you know how you will be able to change the content of your website to make it suitable for your own online academy. Let's now see how we can add new courses, because that's what we want to do here, correct? So we want to add some new courses on our website, and it's again very easy to do. So whenever you are working with WordPress, you should know one thing, that everything you can control from this dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and you know how to reach here. Whenever you want to add something, you will see this plus icon here, plus new. That means you can add different type of content, and course is also one type of content only, nothing else. So click on this plus, and you will see the course is coming here. See, you can see this course is coming here. There are many other things as well, like portfolio, coupons, orders, product, template, many things are available here, but we are going to focus on course. So let's create a new course. Simply click on that, and it will take you to this. So maybe I have clicked on the wrong link. Let me just see. Plus, and then click on course. And when I do that, it will take me to this page. And this is a simple form. The way you fill forms when you are posting your posts on Facebook and various other websites, then you see a simple form. The simple form is available here as well. Let's now create a new course, and I am going to title it, this is my new course. This is my title. Okay. In this, if I have given this title, I want to give a small description about my course. So this is what I'll write. This is small description about this course. Perfect. That is what I'll write here. And for now, I am just going to copy paste it for you so that I don't waste your time in just creating basic content. Perfect. So this is a small content that I have written for this. You can also write a very small text about your course. So I will write only this line. Let's say this is a small description about your course. Not detailed one, just a small description. Here maybe I should just change it to detailed so that we can see where one is visible. Then further, when we go down, we will see this course settings. From here we can do the course settings. So general, how many maximum students you want in your course. So it is possible that you want to restrict the number of students in your course. Right now it's 0. So 0 means there is no limit. But if let us say you decide that you will not take batch more than 10, then you can put a number 10 here. Now not more than 10 students will be able to enroll here. So I don't want to do that as of now. I'll make it 0. Then what is the difficulty level of this course? If you are making this course for beginners, select beginners. If you are making it for people who have basic knowledge but they are now looking to advance their skills, then you can go to immediate. And if you are teaching experts who know basics, who have advanced knowledge also, but now they are looking for certain points only, then you can select experts. Or if you think that this course is catering to all the levels, you can select all levels, and that's all. Now, whether this course is public or not, if you make this course public, enrollment will not be required. All the course content will be consumed by students without enrolling to the course. And we don't want that, correct? We want to make money by selling courses, so we will not make this course public. And question and answers. Do you want to enable question and answer for this course? Yes, that's a good feature, because if you join to one of my course, then you may want to ask some questions. And that is how you can enable it from this option. Let's now go to content drip. Content drip is a little advanced topic, so I'll not cover it here in this session. Let's see what do you want to charge, how much you want to charge for your course. So right now I am keeping it for free right now. So when it is ready, I will tell you how to put price on that, but for now I am just keeping it for free. Then comes adding more attachment. Do you want to add some attachments here? If you want to add some attachments here, then you can upload the attachment. So attachments are what? Basic files like exercise files, PDFs, some notes you want to give to your students, and many other things. So when you click on it, you will be able to upload PDF, zip, or whatever you want to give. It is private. It is available only to the students who subscribe to your course. It's not available for everybody, correct? Let's now see this thing which is very important, and it says it's a course builder. Okay, but before I actually come to the course builder, we actually put some content. I would like to see how my course is looking to public audience, correct? So what I will do, I will just do one thing. I will put the additional data here. What will I learn? This is a marketing page. Basically, see, marketing is very important when you want to sell your courses, and this is the beauty of this particular website, that it allow you to create a marketing page just by filling this form. So what will I learn? I will put it here. You will learn the topic number 1. Then I will further say another line, another line, another line. I am putting 5 lines here, and the target audience, I will also put it in a separate line. Yes, sir. Okay. So now this is my target audience, and I can now write it in multiple lines. So you may want to say that students are the target audience. You may want to say 12th class students are the target audience. You can say IITG aspirants are the target. So whatever is your target audience, you put it here. Then finally, total course duration, how many hours content is available here, you can put it here, like I am saying 10 hours content is available. What are the materials you are going to give to your students? So for example, you may want to give a practice account for practice. Then you may want to give all plugins and themes mentioned in this course, and something like this. You will write it in different lines. Finally, some of the requirements. So a student need to know what is required if they want to learn from your course. So for example, a PC is required with working internet connection. If you are going to take an online course by putting your videos, or going to take live sessions, or you may say a smartphone to get support on Telegram. So you will tell your audience about everything. Finally comes the intro video, so that we will see in few minutes, or let's do it right now. So what you can do, you can put a YouTube or Vimeo video as a marketing video. So I am going to select YouTube, and then I'll take a YouTube link from my channel. So let's take one of the sessions. Let's say this one. You go to the video, and then you click on share. You copy this URL and you paste it here. That's all. This is the certificate. We will talk about certificate at the end of the session. Nothing else is required. You have completely filled this form. We just need to see this sidebar as well. So here you see, you need to decide the category of your course. So by default we have put 2 categories, but you can always add new categories simply by clicking on it and say online teaching. So I'll add a new category, and when I add a new category, it is automatically selected. See, online teaching is selected for this course. Then you can put some text which is optional, and that's all, nothing else. So with this, your course is ready. Let's now click on publish. And with that, this course is now published, and we can visit this course simply by going to this link or by clicking on this link. Let's click on this link, and you see we have not done any coding, we have not done any heavy lifting, we have simply filled a small form, and that is how my course marketing page is now looking like. All the ratings, then course title, categories. A student can add it to wish list if they are not subscribing it right now. They can share it to LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook from your page by default. Then they can see the price. Right now it's free, but I'll tell you how to put a price here. Anybody can enroll now simply by clicking on this button. Everything that you have fit, like label, all labels, duration is 10 hours, last updated today, certificate is available. What are the materials included? See, I put this thing. What are the requirements? Who is your target audience? This is course information. What will you learn? everything is coming in a good manner, and finally the profile of the instructor. See, this is looking really nice now, correct? Just give me a minute. So the only thing which is remaining now is curriculum. Right now nothing is available in curriculum, and why it is not available? Because we have not put anything in the curriculum. When it was asking us to put some topics here, we left it as it is, correct? So that is why there are no topics available. But we will do it very soon. First, I would like to add some price here because it's freely available for the students, and finally all the reviews will come. So I would like to show you some websites which are running right now with this technology, and which is one of my favorite person, my friend as well, Arkit Hanma. He is running this website on the same things. Everything is given to him, and now he is offering the courses. So you can go to courses and check how the courses are listed. Ratings are available here. So these are the live courses. We can see them simply by going there, and see, this is the course page. See, these are the 4 ratings. All 5 ratings are available. It has a price. Rather than enroll now, we can see add to cart button. All the information that he has written inside the page is coming like this. Then when we go to curriculum, we can see the curriculum as well. And this log means that it is available only for the paid public, not for person who is not yet enrolled for this. Finally, let's go to the reviews, and we see the reviews written by a student here. So that is how your course page will look like when you have proper reviews, when you have course price, when you have every other. So I believe now you get the idea how this will look when we fill this. So let's now move to the second thing that we want to do with this, and we should not forget the video as well, because now video is also available as a marketing material. We just put the link there, correct? But it is available to everybody. Let's now do one thing. Let's put a price. In order to put a price, we need to do something else. We need to leave this window. You know that pricing can be set on the products, and products are available only via WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a e-commerce plugin, correct? So if we want to put a price here, what do we need to do? We need to create a course, create a product page. We need to put a price on that product page, and finally we will attach tutor LMS course with the product page, and that is how we will set the price. So 2-step process, let's do it right now. What I am going to do, I will go to products here. You can see the products, correct? The product is coming because of WooCommerce. This is the WooCommerce. So I'll go to product and I'll click on add new. So let's go to products, let's click on add new, and then I will add a new course. The course name is, this is my new course. I am giving the same name as of the course. That's all. I don't need to fill any information here except price. I'll come here in product data, and here I will say that this is not a simple product, but it is it's a simple product, but it is a virtual product, because we are not going to ship anything. Shipping is not available for this because it is a course. So it's a virtual, and now it is available as a course. So I'll say that it is 40. When I do that, then it will be available on my course edit page. And finally, I am going to put a price here. Let's make it 1000 rupees course. If you want to make a sale price as well, let's say you are selling it for 749. It's taxable and standard. That's all. You don't have to do any other thing. And finally, publish. So the product is published. You don't have to write any description here or any other detail, because you have written all the things there on the course page. Correct. Let's now go to the course page that we were editing, and courses are being added with the help of this plugin which is known as Tutor LMS plugin. So let's now go to Tutor LMS, go to courses, and we will see all the courses listed. And we were editing this course. This is my new course. Correct. So what I will do, I will click on edit, and after clicking on edit, I will now go down. I want to change the price. I want to put a price on this course, and here I will select a product. This is the product. This is my new course which I have created just now in front of you. I select this one, and then I will say this is a paid product, and I don't need to define the pricing here because I have done that when I was creating a product at WooCommerce. Correct? That's all. Save it, and when it is updated, now the price will be reflected to everybody. If I refresh this page now, you will see that rather than free, there will be a price, and rather than enroll now button, there is add to cart button. Now a person has to pay for it, and there are, it's not 1000 rupees, but it's 749 rupees. So that is also clearly visible that you are selling it. It's available in a sale right now. Now only one thing is remaining if we talk about the course, and that is curriculum. Now things are missing at curriculum. People are now able to subscribe to your courses by paying some fees. So let's do one thing. Let's put some content here, and it's very easy because when you are editing it with the help of Tutor LMS, you will see this particular section which is known as course builder. In this course builder, you can add new topics. So I'll click on add new topic, and I will give this a name. Let us say chapter 1. It's fine, or you can say lesson 1, you can say week 1, whatever is convenient to you. Let's now put a topic summary. So this is a small summary about chapter 1. Let's now click on add topic. So this topic is now added. But this topic is not the content. This topic is just a kind of heading. It is defining a section. Let's add one more topic here. And this is chapter 2. This is summary of chapter. Let's click on add topic. And just by doing that, so we have added 2 topics. I am now going to update it, and now refresh this page. And what we will see in curriculum, we will see that in curriculum now these 2 chapters are available. See, right now they have no unit, no video, nothing, but still the chapter 1, chapter 2 are available. Let's now do one thing. We will add some content to all these chapters. So first, in chapter 1, I would like to add a lesson. So I'll add a lesson. A lesson can be of different type. For example, I will put lesson 1 here. This is the content of the lesson, so I'll also put. If you want to write a text, then you can write here. Okay. You can write a detailed one, not necessarily that you write a small one. Okay. You can write a proper detailed thing here. If you want to give an image, you can give, otherwise image is really not required when it comes to giving lessons. Then comes videos. Most of the courses which are available now on various online course websites, they are videos. So you can do one thing, you can either put your videos on Vimeo, or you can put your videos on YouTube. So I am going to select YouTube, and finally I will go to YouTube to select one of the video to put it as a. So let's take this one, and I will do the same thing, share it, copy it, and now I will put this here. It's also asking about the video playback time, which is a good thing to give, because then it will give students idea that how much time they require to watch this video. And you can check it here directly on your YouTube simply by, I just need to skip this, only then I will be able to see the timing. Okay, so that is 38 minutes 7 seconds. So I will put it here, 38 minutes and 7 seconds. If you want to upload an attachment, for example, this may be a programming lecture and I would like to give a source code, so we can upload an attachment. Or you are giving an assignment in your video and you want to give the assignment files here, you can upload a zip file. That's all. I will click on update lesson, and that is how one lesson is added to my course. I'll update it, and once I refresh this page, I will see that chapter 1 now has one unit. See, lesson 1 is now available, correct? Which is 38 minutes 7 seconds and which is locked. So unless people subscribe to it, they will not be able to access it. What if I want to give some free previews? Because free previews are good things, because with the help of, by looking at the free previews, people will be able to make up their mind whether they really want to subscribe to this or this course is not great for them. So let's do one thing. We will now put one more video here. I'll take one of my video again. Let's take this one, share it, and copy this URL. Go back to the editing of the paid course. Then I will, in chapter 1, I am going to add one more lesson. And this lesson, I want to give people for free. So I am not going to put any text here. I'll select a YouTube video source and I'll put the URL here. I'll also put a time, let's say it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes video. Now I want people to access it without sign in, without login, without any problem. They should be able to see this because it is acting as a marketing video for them. That is why I will do one thing. I'll enable course preview and I'll click on update lesson. That's all. Let's now update this. And refresh this. When I go to curriculum, I'll see in chapter 1 there are two lessons. Lesson 1 and lesson 2. One is locked, while one is showing an eye which still says that it can be previewed without subscription. So I'll click on it and then it will take me to the course page. And that is how the course page will look. Distraction. Okay. This one is locked, but this one is available to see. A student can click on it, they can watch this and they can make up their mind whether they want to subscribe to your course or not. But when they want to go to lesson 1, it will not take them because it's not clickable, because it will be available only when people will subscribe to them. Since we have also enabled question and answer, person can ask questions here. I am able to ask questions because I am already logged in as a admin. Otherwise, I will not be able to see this since I have not subscribed to the course. That is how you can build your course one by putting multiple topics, then multiple lessons. You can also put quiz. So let's now look at the quiz. I'll put a quiz here. This is quiz title. This is quiz summary. And then click on save and next. I will now add some questions. There are certain type of questions are available here, like true, false, single choice, multiple choice, short answer, fill in the blanks, open-ended matching, image answering. See, multiple type of questions are available. Let's select the one which we all use as a teacher, multiple choice, and this is going to be my question. This is the question in detail. I'll say answer is required. I would like to randomize the options and I will give 1 point if I want to display the point to the students that how many marks they will get if they answer this question correctly, then it will be displayed to them as well. Let's now click and add an option and the option is available here. So this is correct option. Optionally, you can also upload an image if your answer required an image. I'll say only text, then update answer. Then I will be able to add more options. So this is wrong answer, wrong choice, update. So that is how I have added two options. You can add more options as well. And which one is correct? If whichever I'll click here. So now I have marked it as a correct question, correct option. That's all. I will now add it to questions. So this question is now added to questions list. Now I have only one question in my quiz. I can add one more question, or that question can be of any type. Right now I'm not going to take this pain to add more question. I'll just go back. Let us say we have only one question. I'll delete this one. And then I'll click on save, and next time limit also you can decide. Let us say you want to give 1 minute time only. Then that's all I believe. Passing grades. Perfect. Save and next. People now get, now we have added one quiz as well into the course. I have to update this course in order to reflect the changes in the course, and finally when I will refresh this, I'll also see quiz. And quiz cannot be available as a preview because it is a quiz. Based on this, you want to give the certificates to your students. Correct? So quiz is not available, but it is available on the front. Let's now go to home page, where I was telling you that whenever you will add a new course, it will be available on this list. See, and this is your course which is available. Similarly, when you go to all courses page also, this should be the first course which is listed on this list. From here, people can see the pricing, they can click on add to cart, or if they are interested in looking at the complete detail of the course, they can click on this and check the complete detail. See, it's available. Here, if I go to curriculum, I should be able to see a quiz as well. I have written quiz title, but you can give a meaningful name to your quiz. Please let me know if you have any question up to this point. Okay.
Yes, sir. May I ask a question, sir?
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
This is Rajagopalan, and I have done multiple choice question and true or false question, but so far I have not tried filling the blanks. I have a doubt. In case of filling the blanks, we provide an answer to the computer, and if students type a different spelling, will the machine approve it, or it will take it as a wrong answer? But normally in government examinations here, spelling mistake is not penalized. But in case of filling the blanks question we create, how the computer will treat it?
Okay, so first of all, welcome, sir. It's really nice to see you again after so many days. And about your answer, so machine will take it as a wrong answer, and it is true in almost all cases. The Moodle's quiz engine, Moodle is a very good LMS. So Moodle's quiz engine is known as the best quiz engine, and that also don't have that facility. That is why whenever you give fill in the blanks, you try to look at all the combinations that a student can write. So you may write in capital sometime, you may write with some spaces, hyphens, or you can write a wrong spelling also for that thing, and then it will then assume it as a correct answer.
So in case of filling the blanks, we can provide multiple answers with different spellings. Does it mean like that?
Yes,
we can give different spellings. That is, in other words, we can give more answers for a single blank.
Okay, let's see, sir. So in Moodle, you can give multiple questions, but let's see how it is available here. I will go to the quiz and I will edit this. Okay, there's let's add a question which is a fill in the blank question. This is a fill in the question. Okay. So I have to write my question there, not here. I write the question here. Then I can add multiple questions, multiple. Okay, correct answer is, let us say. Yeah, so it's saying separate multiple answers via vertical bar. One answer per dash variable is defined in the question. Example, okay. So, sir, yes, I believe I can write blank. Then I have to put a dash here, like this one. Then blanks. These two can be the correct answer, so I'll update the answer and I'll add these two questions. So I think, sir, this is the correct way to do that. Unfortunately, here we cannot see the preview, but we have to try it. So I'll try it, sir, and I'll then let you know, because preview can't be seen here.
Okay, sir, I'll try it.
Okay, sir. But if you are looking for these kind of complex things, sir, I will recommend you to go for Moodle, especially for the quizzes on. Okay, so let's now go to other things. So most of the things are already covered. If you see in this course, you can also put an assignment for which a student can submit the files. And that's all about the course creation. There are multiple features which are available in Tutor LMS, which you will come to know only when you will start exploring it. Right now, this much is sufficient for any teacher to run their own online courses on any one of these pre-designed LMS websites. Let's now look at some forms that you want to capture the information. Let's say contact form.
Sir, will this be recorded?
Sir, this is not getting recorded, sir.
Oh, very sad.
No, nothing to be said, sir. You already have access to the course. You
Okay.
already have access to Tutor LMS 1 week course. Everything is available in detail there. Everything is there in complete detail. Because
Okay, sir.
on each day I covered one of the topic. Correct?
Okay.
So you have nothing to worry about at all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So let's now look at this form that you want to change. Maybe you want to change the form, you may want to change the map. So you already know how to change map, but you don't know how to change your form. So let's do it. Let us say rather than just name, email, subject, you may want to also capture the class or something else, and that you can do with the help of gravity form. I'll show you. Let's edit this form. So first of all, I have to enable this. Okay. So edit this with Elementor. You can see this form is available here, which has only few fields. You may want to add more fields. Let's click on edit with Elementor. And here, now the Elementor will load. You already know about it. This is the first thing that we have learned. And let's see how this form is coming. So click on this edit option, and then you will see that this is a gravity form style. That is how I come to know that this is coming from gravity form. So I will go to the course dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, and here I will look at the gravity form, and gravity form is available. And this form, you can now click on forms, and you will see all the forms which are already available here. They are contact form. This is the contact form and registration form. So this one is contact form. How I know about it? It's very simple. When I click on this edit, first of all, I see graded form style. Then I see which form is selected here. See which form is selected here? Contact form is selected. Correct? You can see this contact form is selected. That is how, when I see the list of forms, I see this contact form. And now I know that if I want to change the fields of this form, all I need to do is edit it from here and add some more. So I'll edit it here. You see name, email, subject, message is available. Let's now add one field, only one field here. And for that, I can check this add field option. From here, I will put a drop down. On this, after name, I will put a drop down. In this drop down, I will say your standard / class. Then I will write the choices here. So let's click on edit choice, and this is, let's say you are teaching only class 6, class 7 and class 8 students. Let's say you are teaching only these three. If you want to add more, you can add more just by clicking on this plus icon. Let's say you are also teaching class 5 students. Then you put it like this, and finally you close this. I can't see any option to save it, so maybe I have to close it only. Yes, these are available here, and you make sure that it is required. So you click on required. So required will be available here. Similarly, this name form, it should be required. It's already required. Perfect. That's all. Let's click on save form. And now, if I refresh this page, I don't even need to go to edit page. If I refresh this page, since I have updated the form in the background, if I go here, you can see this class 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 5, which I have given there, are coming. That is how you can update the form that you are creating. About this style, if you don't like the style of the form, you just need to look at this choice's appearance. In this appearance, you see field label visibility. This is the label that we have given. I will say hidden. Now it's hidden. Let's click on save form and refresh this page. Now this field will look like other field form. There is no difference at all. That's the way. If you don't want this form at all and you want to work with some other form, how will you do it? Click on new form. And with this new form, you can use it. So for example, I am saying this is a new contact form. And I'll click on create form. And I want only email address and mobile number, nothing else. So I will write, I'll put the form simple text here, single line text, and I will change it to something. So for example, I will say give your Telegram handle. I say start with @ okay, and I'll say required. Let's say this form is created only for the purpose that people will give their handle, Telegram handle, and then we will send them a request to join our group. So that is how I am creating this form, and appearance I am saying hidden, or maybe let's keep it visibility on top aligned. Perfect. I'll save this form. That's all. One thing is required. Now, if I want to change this form from that form, what will I do? Just add it with Elementor and change this. Let it load first. Yeah. Let's go to this form. And now, rather than contact form, I'll select new contact that I have just created, and that's all. Let's update this page and see this one is now available here. Let's go to contact. You see. Perfect. That's the way to make changes, add new courses to your website. Let's now look at the final thing, which is issuing certificate for your course, which is very easy. You know that courses are being controlled with the help of tutor elements. So you just need to go to tutor elements When you go to Tutor LMS and you click on courses, then on each course you need to issue a different certificate. Let's click on this course which we have created and we want to issue a certificate. Let's click on it and then go down. You will see an option for the certificate. What is the certificate template that you want to select? There are multiple templates available. One is landscape and one is portrait. You can select any one of that you want to issue to your students. So I'll select landscape because this is the most popular way. So this is the design I like. So let's click on use this. So I'm going to use it and that's all. Let's submit it. So this is the design that I have selected. But what about the content? The student name will automatically fill by the student's name. Teacher name will automatically fill by the teacher's name. But still we need to make some changes, which is the signature and other things. Those things you can control from here. So when you go to this settings, you will see a certificate builder somewhere. Okay, let's go to the settings. Let's go to the settings of Tutor LMS and here you see certificate is available. From here you can change everything. What is the authorized name that you want to print under signature? So let's say authorized name is mine. What is the company name? You can give your company name there. So I'll say PT Mantra. Then show instructor's name on certificate. Yes, it's a good practice. Then certificate link in course completion email, which is really good option. And then finally, it allows you to upload your signatures as well. So let's upload a signature. For that, you click on upload or one signature is available. So let's take it. But you can always upload your own signature in PNG, obviously. Let's use this media and let's click on save changes. Done. Now, the certificate is completely filled. Authorized signature, authorized person, teacher's name, student name will automatically come. You have selected certificate design from course page. So now everything is ready. Let's now attend this course as a student to see if we are getting certificate or not, which is going to be the last thing for this particular session. What I will do, I will just go to the courses and for the sake of simplicity only, I am going to make this course free so that at least I can enroll and then I can consume the content of this course as I should. Done. Now this course is free. So let's go to the course here and enroll for this course. The purpose is to get a certificate. That's all. I am enrolled to the course now. You can see when a person will enroll, they will be able to see that you are enrolled on this particular date and how many total enrollments are available for this course. It is also available. Without even starting the lecture, I can ask the question to the teacher. I can publish a review as well. Previously it was not allowed, but now this is allowed. This was a very good session. So remember, I am now acting as a student who will consume the content of your course. And see, as soon as you give the rating will be updated here and the rating will be available in the review section as well, which will add some weightage to your course. Let's now click on Start Learning. And then I will consume the courses. Let's say lesson 1 is already available here. Let's say I have watched the video. Then some exercise files, if it is available here, I can see it, but this is not available. Let's now go to, there is one thing that I want to change. I don't want this header and all. So for that, I will go to the settings and there I will decide that I want this course to be consumed as in a spotlight mode. That's all. So when I do that, then all the header and footer are also gone. See, now we are looking at a very clean page for the student, which is there is no distraction. So overview is available, is the text, is the video, some exercise files if you have given it. Then this is lesson 2, which was freely available, but now when a person is subscribed, they will not see the log or view icon. So this is the second video. They can now consume this content as well. They can navigate to the next unit from here also. No need to go here, but they can here. And they can also hide this. If they don't like, they can click on it. Because, so that is the way. Let's click on Start Quiz. Let's see how it will look now. Fill in because I have suffered the question, that is why this is coming here like this, and you can see 1 minute is pending now. So I will write. So actually I cannot see where to write. Okay. This question, this is the question in detail. Okay, let's select correct question and submit the quiz. So I can see it is the result is fail. Earned marks are 50%. Let's see the detail. The student will be able to see the complete detail of the questions as well. And finally, now the complete course is consumed by a student. Let's go to lesson 2, chapter 2 is not available. Okay, now the completely he has consumed. So first of all, an email should go. Email should go to the student that you have consumed the complete content and your certificate is available here. And secondly, if student don't receive email or they receive email in spam, then also one can download the certificate since course is completed. Simply by visiting the course page. Let me now go to the course page. This is the course page. And here I can say that I have completed this course. Let's click on complete. When I do that, my certificate is available. Let's click on view certificate. And my certificate is being generated. The credential IDs are available here. Issued by whom it is available here. And this is the certificate which is available for me to download or print or anything. And you can also see the component. This is to certify that admin. Admin is my name because I have consumed the content as a student. That is why my name is coming here. So you consider it as a student's name. The course name is available here. Okay. When I completed this course on 19th May 2022, this is the certificate ID, which is required that whenever somebody gets a certificate, they show it to somebody else, they should be able to verify whether this certificate is genuinely created or not. So that is how they can see it. And finally, you see the admin's name as well as teacher's name. Both names are coming here with the company's name and with the signature. So that is how certificate is issued. Person can download it in PDF or JPG and they can also print it right now. Or if they want to copy the credential URL, they can now paste this URL to their LinkedIn profile, and whenever somebody visits this, they will see this certificate on. If I visit this page on incognito mode, you will see that the certificate is available here directly, even if the student is not logged. Okay. So that is how certificates can be issued to your students. So that was all from my side. Now I believe you know how to create your own online academy. All you need to do is just define one of the online course website, that which one is perfect for you. I have given the link. Then you just let me know, take the practice account, practice it for 7 days, change everything, and then you can decide whether you want to take this route or not. So that's all from my side. Let me know if you have any question. So it's that easy. No need to worry about hiring a programmer or thinking about a new way of doing things. Nothing. It's that simple. Okay, sir. Mohammed, sir. I'll not take leave.